Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Dyana's Kitchen. Guys, I'm making a cup of coffee. It's pretty early, around 7 o'clock, guys. Alright, but I'm up from about 5:30, guys. So you know I have to give God the glory and the praise. But anyway, guys, I want to share this coffee with you, alright? Very fast, very quick. Guys, if you're up early and you want something nice, if you're going to work and you don't want to buy coffee, you want something nice because the holiday is coming up and you know you have to have the right coffee. But anyway, guys, I'm going to use some instant coffee. This is the instant mix, quick, easy. Guys, I'm going to use the almond milk, very delicious, very nice. And I'm going to use the pumpkin spice with cream. Here it is. This is still the pumpkin spice milk too. All right, okay guys, what you're going to need, some boil hot water or warm water. For me, I love it the water hot and nice. All right, so that's my pickle. And guys, then you're going to throw it in. Okay, so the water is not cold, but I want a little bit hot, so we're going to wait a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to make our coffee. If you want to put like some sweet milk, I have a little sweet milk here. And if you don't want milk in coffee, you don't have to, but sometimes for me, I like when I'm making my coffee. Okay, so I have a little sweet milk. Or if you don't want to put milk, you can put sugar. It's up to you. Alright, here it is. Okay, so first I'm going to put my coffee. Okay, I'm trying to do this quick. This is a tablespoon, but I'm going to use like a little teaspoon. I'm going to eyeball it. But coffee is something that you have to be careful with because you don't want to make your coffee bitter. And you don't want to put too much. If you put too much, your coffee will be bitter. You don't want that. And you don't want to put too little either because if you make the coffee, it's going to be weak and it's just going to be milk, right? So you're going to throw some water on that. And if you find out like your coffee too weak, you can just put some more instant coffee in it. Okay. If you mix the coffee and it tastes sweet, just go ahead and put some. So now, guys, I'm gonna throw my milk. I'm gonna throw some of my milk. Look at that! It's so thick, very, very thick. Very thick. And if you taste it and you need more coffee, go ahead and put more. This is so nice, guys. This is really nice. You know what I'm gonna put in it? I'm gonna put some off and off in it. Where's my off and off? So guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of off and off. Can't do it without my off and off. Love my off and off. So I'm gonna put a little off and off. Here you go. Spice it up a little bit. Okay, alright. So this is it, guys. So quick, so easy. And then I'm gonna put my pumpkin spice inside. You have a nice, delicious morning coffee, guys. Here you go. Right? Lovely. Lovely, guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Keep on smiling and come back for more.